Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace fuel pump assembly on a Volkswagen Jetta 6th generation MK6 or a Golf Polo will be the same MK6. This one is a 2.5 engine, but the 2.0 and a 1.8 should be about the same. So it's located under the seat, the rear seat. In order to remove that one guys, what you need to do, just grab it and pull up, okay, on this side as well. Then you need to push on each side towards the back and pull up on the side. Okay, and we got the seat out. We're gonna clean it anyways. That thing is super dirty. They had a dog in that car. So that's how you guys remove it now. Okay, let me show you inside. Right here, that's where, okay, the fuel pump assembly will be right here. Okay guys, so if you get a screwdriver, you can pry that thing open. Okay, that's no fun. But once you get it in, out, careful, because otherwise that's what happens. Now we have the wires here that you need to push this red thing up. Then you can release the wires. Okay, when it's up, it's unlocked. So we can push in somewhere. Let's see where exactly. And have that thing out. Okay, still working on it guys, give it just a minute. Okay, we need to get that thing out and it doesn't come out all the way. So when it's up like that, you press in, okay, on it like that. Okay, you press down, then you press in like that, okay, until it clicks. Okay, we almost had it there. Okay, still working on it. Oh, those things are... Never pull on the cables like I do. It came out on another one super easy guys. Okay, finally figured it out guys. Pull up all the way, push in. You need to push down on the clip and pull out. Okay, this one you can see that's how it moves it and it comes out. Okay, now you can release the pressure on the front where you can check the fuel pressure, but if you don't, like we don't, it's going to spray fuel now here, so be careful. You need to push that thing in to release the hoses. One is return hose probably. Okay, this one here now. You need to push down, push this one in, pull up. Okay, that got some gas in it. So careful, disconnect the battery when you do that. Before you do, make sure you touch something metal so you don't have any electricity, static electricity. Okay, and now we'll need to get it loose. So right here there is a thing that we can use for a screwdriver. You can see, so we can get the cap loose. Okay, it's going. Okay, like that. When it comes to there, that's the lid. Okay, we need to get the hose out of the way. Oh, that's smelly. And now we're gonna get a bucket, because when you get the assembly, you have gas in it, and unfortunately for this car, it's full of gas. So it will be quite a bit of a mess, but we'll show you now guys how to remove it and how to replace the whole assembly. So we're gonna get it out now, get the hoses out of the way. Careful not to damage the sanding unit. You can see how full it is. Okay, that's a gasket that you need to keep. Oh my goodness, it's full all the way. And it's going to be very smelly as well. We need to tilt it so we can get the sanding unit, but we don't want to leak too much out. That's the sanding unit right here. Okay, that's the one that tells us how much fuel we have in it. Right there. And we're gonna put it in the bucket and take it out. Okay guys, so now we're gonna get the assembly, okay? And you need to install that seal on it first. And it needs to go around that sending unit there. That's the one that reads the level, okay, inside on the gate, so you can see how much gas you have. You need to put it in first, in an angle, then the rest of it like that, okay? You need to make sure everything is like it's supposed to. Okay, the seal is a little bit loose now. For some reason we need to align everything good, make sure it is sealed, otherwise it won't close. So we're gonna put the seal right there around the tank first, because otherwise, okay, we cannot close it good. This one will be lining there, you can see. Okay, like that. Now we need to install that metal plate, the one that locks it in place. It goes only one way. Like we had it earlier, you need to make sure that you get it out of the hoses out of the way. Okay, like that. We're gonna turn it like that. And now we're gonna hit it with a hammer and a screwdriver. Don't punch a hole in your tank. Okay, until it locks. Okay, like that. That's where we had it before, that's where we have it now. About the same position. We need to install the hoses now. One of them is sending unit, one of them is returning, as you can see, so don't confuse those now. So the sending one is the black one there. Just push it in until it clicks, make sure it's not loose. Pull up. And now this one as well, same procedure. You need to wipe everything that you have here, like gas. Make sure everything is dry before you connect the wires. Make sure you have no gas at all spilled anywhere. Okay, we had a little bit here because it's going first to be stinky in your car. Second, it's not healthy. Third, it can catch on fire, which is probably pretty dangerous. Okay, push the wires in. That cap now on top, it goes only one way. We'll show you. And we recommend doing that outside because fumes are just killing you. That thing right here, okay, that one, it goes right here. So it needs to line up there and just press it in until it locks. Put the seal for the cable, and this will be the whole procedure, guys. So that's how you remove and replace fuel pump assembly on a Jetta MK6, guys, or Golf MK6. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like, subscribe, so we can make that channel grow fast and help more people. Thank you for your support.
So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.